when all the Civics are having the Lambo doors, it's gone out of style.
Yeah. I'll race them.
Yeah. All right, ready?
Yeah. So they said automatic mode?
Yes, it'll be an automatic. Yeah, your instructor will tell you all about it.
All right. Oh, man.
All right, your seat's good.
Can I go back?
Watch your elbows.
Yep.
Yep. There we go.
How are you doing?
Not bad.
This is my favorite car here. I've driven them all, so
All right, cool.
I'm glad we're in this one. Let me get my seatbelt on. Take my helmet. All right, this is your first ride in one of these?
Yep.
Okay, cool. All right, so when you drive, I want you to keep your hands at here and here on
Okay.
9 and 3.
Yep. You got transmit or check engine or something.
Yeah, we won't worry about that. It's not our car. Alright, you go ahead. Put your foot on the brake.
Yep.
Pull this back once. Now you're in first
Yeah,
auto
see,
mode.
automatic one.
And then now you're good to go. Just
All right.
pull on up to the start. Did they make sure your GoPro's on? Yep, it's on. It's good.
Good.
Camera's on.
Yep.
Okay. Hang on just a second and I'll send you out, okay?
Yep.
Alright, and keep both hands on the wheel the whole time.
Yeah.
You're already sitting like that, and I don't want that. I want both hands on the wheel. When I tell you to get on the gas, you can get on the gas. When I tell you to brake, I want you to hit that brake real hard.
Okay.
Most important thing is to look ahead so you know where you're going at all times. These pointer cones right here, point which direction you go. So if it's laying down that way, it means you're going that side. And
Right.
these up here that are pointing that way, it means you go that way.
Okay.
Like you'll be coming up the braking zones really hard and the pointer cones are pointing you that way. That means you're going to be going that way when you get through the zone.
You're telling me to go? Or is he?
Alright, let's go. Alright, now to the right. Now let's get on it, let's get on it. There we go. Right to the left. Go, 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 go. Brake, brake, brake. There we go to the right, then back to the left. Long sweeper. Keep it going, back to the right. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go. Straight away, straight away. And brake, brake, brake. Look ahead, look through the corner.
Yep.
There you go. Look all the way through the corner. Long corner, then straight away. Look out that window. There you go. Go, 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 go. Let's get it. Hit the brake, hit the brake. Up to the right. There you go. Back to the left. Go straight away here. Back to the left. Look ahead. Look through the corner. Keep going straight away right here. And brake. We're going to stay left. We're going to stay left. And left. So look ahead. Now back to the left. And go. Go. To the left. To the left. And go. Go. There you go. Brake, brake, brake. Back to the left. Go, go, go. Brake, brake, brake. Easy, easy, easy. Easy. The corner gets tighter, so you gotta wait to get on the gas right there. Slow down a little bit, dial it back a little bit. You don't want to hit one of those zones. Your second lap, we're going to go around for one more. Going, right, to the left. Now you can go. Brake. Brake hard. Go through the corner. Back on the gas. Back on the gas. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Brake. 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 To the left. Back to the right. Then we're gonna exit right. Slow down. Slow down. Right. Right. Exit through there. Very nice.
Woo.
That was one of the fastest ride-alongs I've been along all day.
Oh, cool.
That was very good. Back to the right. No, stay on course. Stay on course. Follow the cones. Go back. Go straight through there. Straight. And then get back on here.
Yeah.
And straight to the right.
I see.
So what'd you think?
That's
You like
awesome.
the car?
Oh yeah. I can definitely tell that traction control helped me in the corners. That's
Oh
pretty
yeah,
cool.
it'll get up and go.
I gotta put
How'd
it
it go?
neutral.
All right, put both of
Good.
them back.
Oops, I
Both of them back. All right,
and
you
I
good.
see.
Well, hey, thanks for letting me ride.
Yeah, thank you,
Fun.
sir. That was fun. Very nice.
Look in here real quick.